Bakit iba ang pakiramdam? Gaano tayo katagal nag-apply? Ang tagal na, no? That was July when we re-apply yung application natin, right?
Yes po, ano na pong nangyari?
Ewan ko. Kasi ang immigration, that's the problem with our situation right now. Immigration is really crazy, but right now I'm calling you kasi may nakita akong notification in terms of the result. I don't know kung result ito, but I wanna take a look at it with you. Kasi nga, I wanna make sure na it is something na, kasama kita. Ba yung application na in-applyan mo?
Housekeeper.
Housekeeper. Tapos na-refuse ka, di ba? Then you came to me when you got refusal.
Dalawang beses po.
Dalawang beses by someone else, right?
Yes po.
And then you came to me, that was July 2024. And ano ngayon? April 9, 2025 ang result. My goodness. Basahin na natin para matapos na tong ating pag-aalala. You're so funny. Bakit? Okay, here we go. Dear beautiful girl, your application to stay in Canada as a temporary resident work permit has been approved.
Hindi, totoo po ba yun?
You think I'm going to joke at you like this?
Totoo po ba?
Yes, it is. It's real, okay?
Approve na po.
Approve siya. That's why, oh my gosh, okay. You savor the feeling of being
Ano po ako nakalutang po palagi? Ano po yung
naiyak tuloy ako sa'yo.
yung ano po ma'am, yung pag natutulog ako sa gabi, sabi ko hanggang kailan kaya ako dito sa kama na to, ganon.
Di ba naalala mo pa, gusto mong umalis somewhere para magkakita ka ng other option. Pero sabi ko sa'yo, don't stay with them. Kasi importante, as a tourist visa holder, magbago man ang immigration, you need an employer. You need the support of your employer. You need LMIA. That kahit kailan hindi naalis. And, you imagine you were refused for twice. And imagine, halos ayaw kong tanggapin yung application mo. Remember? And then sabi mo, parang awa nyo na po, please take me. And I took this case because of you.
Salamat po ma'am sa tulong niyo.
Yeah.
Kaya akong umalis.
I know. Grabe, ano?
Gusto po Lord, thank you so much sa tulong niyo ma'am.
And you know what? You got 2 years of
2 years
work
po.
permit. Yes. You got 2 years. Diba? Yung iba, 12 months na lang. But you got 2 years.
Ano po
And
yung iba po ma'am?
yung iba, 12 months lang. Kasi nga, yun ang rule. But you got 2 years.
2 years po, tapos po.
And then, of course, send ko sa'yo. So, oh my God.
Thank you po.
And eto kasi when we applied, that was July. That means yung rule nung August na hindi na pwede sa mga tourist visa na nandito sa loob ng Canada mag-process, hindi na pwedeng ma-send yung work permit na. But because you applied on July, ibig sabihin nito, hintayin natin yung work permit mo inside Canada. Okay? So
Yes,
that's the
po.
rule. Very confusing ang immigration rule, but at the end of the day, i-confuse man nila tayo, nandito ako para sa inyo. But again,
Thank you ma'am. Thank you Lord.
yes, thank you Lord. Kung minsan I just want to take this opportunity also. A lot of people na yung sa aking consultation, they sometimes say, hindi ako sumasagot agad. Hindi ako customer service para sagutin ko lahat ng, pero I try to answer everyone. Alam mo yon. When you reach out sa akin, I don't call you right away, but I am in my meeting. How can I do that? But I always answer you sa email. I update you, even your employer. Now, this time, it is an opportunity for us to be the best right now kasi nakakuha ka ng work permit mo.
My God.
Yeah.
Opo.
Kala natin hindi na but you know what? Wala talagang hindi imposible sa ating Panginoon. And
Minsan po ma'am, parang pinanghihinaan na ako ng loob na nag-iisip na ako na pumunta ng ibang bansa, sa Saudi o kung saan.
Remember, you were thinking about those other things na option, but sabi ko, stay with them.
Yes
Kasi
po.
nga, you know, this is your saving grace. Employers are your saving grace, but congratulations, you got
Thank you
your
so much,
visa.
ma'am.
You're
Kayo yung
welcome.
ginamit ni Lord na ayusin yung papel ko.
I know.
Kasi sabi ko nga po kay Lord, Lord, ayokong umalis kasi kailangan nila ako, kailangan ko sila. Yung
At
ganun.
saka marami talagang heartbreak sa immigration, and even myself, akala nyo nag-i-enjoy ako sa mga nare-receive kong mga difficult immigration rules. Hindi. I am also struggling. And I have to look after my health. And sometimes when I read yung mga post ng iba sa Facebook, it's really heartbreaking. At the same time, may mga mga client talaga na they cannot understand our job. It is not easy.
Yes po.
My job is not easy, and I can, dahil sa inyo, that's why I'm sticking. But I can retire if I want to. But right now, because of you guys, I'm sticking because this moment is one of the kumbaga nakaka-heal sa aking pakiramdam din yung mga
Yes po.
nare-refuse. So yeah.
pag
So kung ano yung
na-approve.
success ng aking process, you two guys, yung success nyo, it will gonna be mine as well. So
That
I'm
is
part
also
of
your
this.
success.
So I will send you yung information. Let's wait for the original work permit. But presently, right now, as we receive the approval, pwede ka nang mag-work at legitimate ka na. Hintayin na lang natin yung original, pero right now, pwede ka nang mag-work. Valid na yung work permit mo as a housekeeper.
As a housekeeper.
Yeah.
Sige po, ma'am. Ngayon po.
Naku, pagyabang mo na ito sa kung sinong kakilala mo. Ay nako, congratulations ulit, okay?
Thank you po, ma'am. Namnamin ko po muna itong moment na to. Tapos yung mga susunod ko
Okay,
po,
I want to
you
you know what? I want to record this. I want you to inspire and encourage people para nang sa ganun ang daming
naka-record po,
kagaya
ma'am?
mo. Yeah, record ko
Naka-record?
siya. Yes, please.
Sige po.
Okay. You have 1 minute.
Ma'am, Nurse, thank you so much po sa tulong. Hindi ko po alam kung matutuwa ba ako o ano kasi yan. Sabi ko pong pinagdaan ng heartbreak ko dito sa work permit na to. Salamat po ma'am kasi ngayon yung ginamit na instrument ni Lord para i-process yung papers ko na nung una nga po, nagdadalawang isip kayo kasi pero nakiusap po ako sa inyo kasama ng employer ko.
Yeah. I met you in person. Yes, that's true.
Tapos, ang tagal po, July po natin na in-apply po. Tapos, ilang months na po yung, ngayon lang lumabas yung result at wala, hindi na rin po nga ako umaasa po nag-iisip na po ako ng ibang way kung sana po pupunta kasi hindi ko na po talaga alam. Pero
Right now,
napaka-powerful po talaga ng
prayer.
prayers.
Yeah, prayer and ano lang, positive and be hopeful. Yun lang.
Yes po.
Mm-mm.
Salamat
Okay.
po.
You're
Talaga
welcome.
ginamit
Yeah.
kayo ni Lord.
Yeah. There you go, everyone. Congratulations ulit. She came here as tourist visa, refused twice, and I said to everyone, as what I've said to everyone, as long as the LMIA is valid, you can always reapply. Same dynamic, same method, same way of applying, and that's exactly what I did. Don't give up. So you heard that, tourist visa to work permit with refusals, and now it's approved. Work permit as a housekeeper this time. Congratulations ulit.